Hello, what's up guys? NFX here. So this is the trade that I posted on the 16th of February. Yeah, last week. So that's like just Tuesday last week. Okay, so Euro USD was a very beautiful setup, right? We posted it on the VIP channel and the community channel, and everyone capitalized on this trade. So I promise I'm gonna show you why I took the trade, why it was first of all it was a sell bias and then a buy bias. So we both took the sell and the buy as well. So I'm gonna show you guys why I took this trade and why why I had the bias set up. Okay, so I already took the liberty to mark out a few zones. Okay, and so first of all, you can see clearly on the monthly prices bearish and corrective, right? So we can see prior impulse here, we can see the correction here happening, and then you can see the breakout of the channel, which is also a breakout of the correction, right? So we've been following Euro USD for months now, and so going down to the weekly, you can see another channel being created here, showing very bullish structure. You can see previous highs violated and barely retested, but this clearly retested at the high of the monthly channel, which is a monthly correction. So on the weekly here, you can see another correction happening after a break of previous high. Okay, you can see that correction happening right there, and you can see where the retest came in. Okay, shift that a bit, you can see where the retest came in. Okay, so now you can see the breakout of the correction, okay, after a prior liquidity setup. So on the daily was where I made the initial bias. Okay, I just went through the monthly and the weekly, and so if you candlestick behaviors and switch down to the daily. So on the daily, it's very clear, right? So you can see previous high level structure violated here. Okay, you can see price consolidated some more, no retest here, creating false support, which retail traders fell for, obviously, because they didn't bought from here, but from here. As you can see, that was a clear liquidity on the low there, and then price pushed low back into the zone and shifted aggressively back as well. So this left a nice bullish order block, and then price broke out of the correction happening here and started consolidating. On the consolidation, it left mean liquidity on the lower time frame. On the 4 hours and the 1 hour, you'd see the liquidity right there. So price cleared the liquidity and shifted down, which is where the sell bias came in. The sell bias was to go all the way low to recapitalize or reprice this daily bullish order block, right? And this is where we sold from, and then the idea was when it pushed high all the way to the top there, it left a liquidity area, okay, which I have adjusted a bit because of my new bias coming in. Okay, so it's cleared, it's left the liquidity right there before it dropped. So this gave an indication that they were going to go back all the way up there after the retest or repricing of this bullish order block, which you can see has happened already. Okay, so this came with a nice rejection, boom, and all the way to the top to clear liquidity. So now price is consolidating again. We want to see another retest and a continuation. Going down to the 4 hours, you can see it very clearly. Okay, see it very clearly. You can see the daily correction, right? You can see also, you can see the famous inverted head and shoulders playing out here. Okay, what we need to see now is the break of the neckline, which is in line with the liquidity zone on the daily, right? So you can see the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So we want to see that retest right about this zone. Okay, so I'm choosing this zone because it's a nice bullish order block right there. Okay, on the 4 hour and on the 1 hour, right? So I like to see price after this consolidation break at the low of the consolidation, trapping traders low, and then retest the consolidation, the bullish order block on the 1 hour and shift high. Okay, the liquid is still there. The market always go for the liquidity. Always, the market goes where the money is. So switching down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see it, right? So daily order block tapped very nicely. Okay, this is the prior sell confirmation after the shift. It's created liquidity here, grabbed the HTF, shifted aggressively back into the zone, and then retest, and we sold all the way down to the daily bullish order block. We took profit here and we bought at the bullish order block all the way back to the top. The idea, remember, like I said, was to go clear liquidity, which it has, but now it's leaving more liquidity at high. Okay, so this is suggesting another correction happening here, as we can see. This suggests another correction happening here. So I like to see price keep correcting in this zone, drop all the way low, and boom, clear liquidity. You can see the bullish order block right there on the 1 hour time frame. So I have my buy limit set here with a 10 pip stop loss. Yeah, the 10 pip stop loss, approximately 10 pip stop loss, right? So I have mine set with 10 pip stop loss because it's quite tight. So, and I'm expecting price to go all the way high for 70 pip profit, right? And when it breaks, we're definitely seeing EU pushing higher. This would mean a weak USD. Okay, so we're expecting EU to break this high, retest, and keep pushing all the way to the high of January, right there. So I hope you guys like this video. Leave a like, and also leave a comment, share to your friends, and let me know what you think. Thank you guys.